If you are traveling to Thailand, you need to complete one important requirement before your arrival, the Thailand Digital Arrival Card. It is an online form that you need to complete before entering the country. It is quick, simple, and only takes a few minutes to complete. You can submit it up to 3 days before your arrival, so it is better to do it in advance and avoid any delays at immigration. I will leave the link in the description so you can easily access it. To get started, go to the website and click on Arrival Card. The form is divided into 3 sections. Starting with your personal information, you need to enter your basic details exactly as written on your passport. This includes your full name, passport number, nationality, date of birth, and contact details like your phone number. Make sure everything matches your passport perfectly. Even small mistakes can cause delays at immigration. Once the form is complete, click Continue to proceed to the next section. Here, you'll need to provide details about your trip to Thailand. This includes your flight number, arrival date, port of entry, and where you'll be staying in Thailand, such as your hotel name or address. If you have a connecting flight, please list all flight numbers separated by commas. Make sure these details are accurate and match your travel plans, as they will be checked at immigration. Once you've submitted your travel details, you'll move on to the health declaration. In this section, you'll be asked about your current health status and your travel history within the 2 weeks prior to your arrival in Thailand. You will need to list the countries you visited during this period. Note that short connection flights where you do not leave the airport generally don't count as a visit. But if you do exit the airport, that country must be included. Based on the countries you list, the system may display additional questions regarding disease risks and whether you have received necessary vaccinations. Once you've completed all sections, take a moment to carefully review everything before submitting. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation of your Thailand Digital Arrival Card. You can then save it directly to your phone or download and print it out if you prefer a physical copy. While digital proof is usually enough, having a backup printed copy can be helpful in case of any technical issues. If you need to make changes after submitting your form, don't worry, you can go back into the system and update your information before your arrival in Thailand. Simply use your reference details to access your application. Then edit any incorrect or updated travel information. Continue through the pages until the final step, click Submit again, and download your updated arrival card. Important. While you can update travel details later, your full name, citizenship and date of birth are locked once submitted. Double-check these against your passport before hitting send. The Thailand Digital Arrival Card is not a visa, it's a pre-registration for all travelers, regardless of your visa status. If you're traveling with friends or your family, you can submit a group application for up to 10 people in one go. The official card is completely free. Ignore any third-party sites asking for payment. And that's it. Once everything is done, you're all set for a smoother entry into Thailand without unnecessary delays at immigration.